Thanks for checking out Mac Guitar Mania. Now, what if I told you that right now you can run NAMM, Neural Amp Modeling A2 architecture on your iOS device? That's right. Thanks to the newly upgraded A2 architecture and an incredible app called NAMM Sandwich, created by a new friend of mine named Evan Brass, you can run full NAMM models and captures on your iPhone or iPad for only $3. This video is not a comprehensive demonstration of the NAMM Sandwich app because Evan Brass has an excellent video showing you how everything works, how to set it up, all the features. I want to do a quick run through to convince you to go to the App Store and download this app. It's only $3 a year. That's insane. $3 a year for this fully functional, incredible app that lets you download, use, tweak, edit, and enjoy NAMM captures right on your device. Now, the app is really easy, very user-friendly, and it's a great interface. All you need to do is download the app, open it up on your iOS device, your iPad or iPhone. I'm using an iPad because it's bigger for my weak eyes. First thing you'll see is the edit menu pops up. This is where you can start creating a rig, or however you want to call it, a setup. You can browse Tone 3000 captures. That's the main website where you download NAMM captures. You have to set up an ID on there and go through the whole process of signing in. But once you do that, it works really well. Then you can just scroll through here and see what you like, right? You can pick any amp you want. You can search for amps or cabs. You can search for amp heads, cabinets, pedals, outboard devices, and experimental. But right now, we're just going to look for an amp and a cab. Let's just scroll through real quick and we'll pick one and mess around with it. Here we go. Scroll down here, download it. Shows up right away. That's crazy. Now you may want to change some things here. There's an input adjustment here, output adjustment at the bottom. There is also a way to add a noise gate. Do that right there. Turn that on. Adjust it to our liking. Okay. Now, just by clicking this little menu here on the top right corner, it looks like three squares. I don't know what they are. That lets you add more things to your setup. When you're done, you click that again and you're out of there. There's already included some delay if I want to use that. I can change the EQ. I can change the cab to something else. I can use the IR that I have built in, but this one already includes a cab, so we can shut that off. So let's just give a listen. Okay, nice thing about this, look at the bottom of the app. It has an output meter built in. Want to make sure we keep that at a comfortable level so we're not melting people's ears. Okay, that's really cool. Love that. EQ can be adjusted. Turn EQ off and on. We can turn the reverb off and on. Adjust it so much that it's annoying. Go down here. Then when you're all done with this, you just have to click out of it by clicking on something else on the menu, and it'll ask you to save it. So let's save it as a new. Let's call this test. Creative, huh? There's so many features. You really should watch Evan's video, but I want to show you my favorite feature, and that is using the perform mode for the NAMM sandwich. So check this out. He's playing around with that old sandwich idea here. You get to pick what you have for breakfast, lunch, dessert, brunch, dinner, midnight snack. All you do is click on one of these, go over to the plus button at the top, and just click whatever you want to put there. There you go. I have the starter. So all I did was I created three I don't know if they call them rigs or setups, but I'm going to call it a rig. Let's go to the Super Reverb Clean. This is a deluxe Fender Deluxe reverb that I set up with a clean sound. Check out this next one. This is the Marsh Crunch. This is a Marshall with a, let's see what the actual rig is. Go back to the edit menu, and it is a Marshall JT45RS Crunch with a balanced 2 cabinets. Check this out. You're going to like this. Pay attention. Now watch what happens when I turn my volume down. Cleans up like a real amp. Last one. Do some high gain. Let's turn this one down. Turn down my guitar volume. There's so much more included in this app. Just run you through it real quick. Go to this menu at the top here. There's a built-in tuner. The menu takes you to all your rigs or creations, whatever you want to call them. The edit menu lets you edit the existing rig that's already loaded. Performance mode lets you load 6 different presets or rigs, whatever you want to call them, and just click on the play. And then more, there's a bunch of stuff about the tutorial video, which is at the top there. You can get information about who made this, whose name is Evan Brass. He's a great guy. And you can even look into the subscription. It's $3 a year. $3 a year for full functionality. I mean, that's insane. I hope my quick run through of the app convinces you to at least try it out. Try the free trial. And if you can afford $3 a year, keep the subscription. This thing is incredible. And Evan has kept me updated along the way. In fact, he said he's already adding some more functionality to it. I can't tell you what it is yet, but it's going to make it even better. Rock on. I'll see you next time. Connect your guitar to your iOS device using something like the iRig USB that has 1/4 inch in and 1/4 inch out to an interface, USB-C and headphones out on the other end. First, plug in the USB-C cable and then put the other end in your iOS device. Next, plug in your headphones or IEMs of your choice. Then plug in your guitar to the guitar in jack. Open the NAMM Sandwich app and start jamming. That's all there is to it.